How to fix Chromecast source not supported error. One, restarting the Chromecast or TV, if built in, by unplugging and plugging it back in is often the simplest and most effective first step to fix errors. Two, keep Chrome updated, as newer versions often fix bugs and may resolve the source not supported error. Check for Chromecast or Android TV updates, as they may fix the error. Sometimes a simple restart triggers the update automatically. Restart both your computer and router, as this general troubleshooting step often resolves PC or network-related issues. 5. Go to Chrome /flags in Chrome. Search for these and choose Enabled from the menu next to them. Connect to cast devices on all IP addresses. Allow all sites to initiate mirroring. 6. Temporarily disable VPNs, ad blockers, firewalls, or antivirus software, as they may interfere with Chromecast communication.